This is the Samal side. You've got the support structure of the bridge from inland coming down. Got these huge groins. They put the cranes up over the last month, turn around and start building those gantries and those support structure up. That big massive concrete. All was slowed down. That's nice for the captain. So you got this side going into Davao. This gap is for the big tall ships that come in, big bulk carriers and the to-go ferry. Billions and billions of pesos. So this will rise around 30 metres, 40 metres into the air, and it will be a suspension bridge, double span. Stunning, isn't it? The technology. Organised by Duterte. Going to be completed when last year at Bonbon Marcos. Financed by the Chinese. They're not open yet. That's just one of the work. The contractors coming in to turn around and do the work. You can hear them drilling and grinding into the bed of the ocean, putting the supports. Supports are going to run from here all the way up to here. So we're on the other side now. So we were over here, but the people over there turned around and told us we couldn't land over there because we didn't have a license, or we had to pay the fee. So that's Paradise Island, being very, very protective of their little area. Yeah. So we're on this side of the bridge now. And we're going to go and see if we can have a look at the reef. close to Davao Samal Connector Bridge. Nice and clear water. Davao Bridge. Oh, look at that. And
Hi.
hello. They've all been for a swim. Ah, look. All of these sexy bodies. Oh, so many sexy bodies. Oh, they're all on Keep Fit. Oh, there we go. Samal Island, Davao City, Davao del Norte, Davao del Sur. What a glorious Saturday. Look, there's a captain. Okay, Poogie? Okay lang. Oh, look. There we go. Very, very nice day. If you want to do this, contact Fiesta Tours on their Facebook page, Davao City. Speak to a young lady called Sandy and she'll organise something for you. Take care.